So we are back home. जैसे आपने देखा काफ़ी सारा तेल लगाया हुआ है with my mom because I'm losing my hair. So she said कि जो natural recipe जो होता है पहले के जो लोग करते थे we'll try that. Maybe जो remedies जो old school remedies है we're gonna try that. So करके देखा है and then we'll be using the aloe vera, natural aloe vera to wash it off so that कोई भी chemical नहीं रहेगा मेरे सर पे. So let's try that. So we'll be doing that. So it's been a while. Workout vlog वगैरह नहीं किया था. So me being in home, as you guys know that I came back home after one long year. My mom, my parents, everybody is very happy and excited me being here. We are having a lot of fun, of course talking a lot, future plans which I don't know which is क्या होने वाला है but still we like to talk a lot. So that's the thing. So, so far life is good. I'm eating a lot of food, good food but not bad food, no sugary stuff. So coming back to the vlog, the purpose of the vlog is आज का video. So today's menu is pretty much push day. So हर week में मैं push 2 बार कर रहा हूँ, pull 2 बार कर रहा हूँ, legs एक ही बार कर रहा हूँ. So that is my program which is being scheduled as of now. So I do push, pull and then pretty much do a rest day. How I feel, जैसे body का requirement है. If I feel too tired, I might not do any of the workout. Pretty much active rest होगा. So I do 10-15 minutes of morning walk. And उसके बाद I do my legs and then I do my push जो कि आज Friday है. So tomorrow will be again a pull day and then again Sunday will be a full rest day होगा. So as of now, diet wise, I am just having 4 meals, solid meals. उसके अंदर 1 shake I'm having. So 5 meals I'm having, including my shake. So that's the thing for my diet wise. And आज है मेरा push session जो कि second है. Still I don't feel too much sore, so a little bit of sore. Life is good because it's not sore. I'm recovering more faster. I feel good. So recovery अच्छा होता है, so the life is good, I feel. So that's the thing. तो आज का जो schedule है which is being programmed, it's going to be 2 exercises. So prime focus will not be chest but focusing on my shoulder. But as you guys know, I'm having a small chest, so we'll be doing two press movement for chest, pretty much incline and decline, and so that overall cover ho jaye, and then 1 fly movement, either pec deck or crossover. So we'll see how that goes. According to that we'll do it. So first exercise pretty much will be a machine press or something and then 1 decline press. So I might have to try a different gym because जो gym में मैं जा रहा था वहाँ पर they don't have a good chest का machine, so I might have to go to a different machine, different gym or something. So anyway, so today's is push day, so we'll be taking a pre-workout from Big Muscle and jumping. What's up guys? Time for the pre-workout. Taking Carnage Sex on the Beach flavor. Carnage pre-workout around 1.5 scoop. आज push session है. Will be heavy as 2 to 3 exercise for chest and 4 shoulder, right? 4 shoulder exercise and 1 या 2 triceps. So हर exercise का will be doing 2 main set जिसके अंदर होगा 1 working set or maybe 1 back off set, top set and back off set. अगर मेरा strength heavy आराम से गया because I already had 3 meals. So अगर strength is going good, I might go up till to the failure. So I had till now अभी तक 3 meals में I already had around 250 grams of carbs already inside and around 150 grams of protein. So pretty much in a good spot to get a good heavy session. उसके बाद post workout meal will be potato जो कि मम्मी बना के रखेगी आते आते and around 120 grams of chicken. So that will be my post workout meal. So post-workout meal में नहीं दिखा होगा. That's why I showed you guys what I'm having. So pre-workout big muscle. Link में description पे डाल दूँगा to get the Carnage pre-workout, and you can use my code BMGJO to get some extra discount. See you guys in the gym. What's up guys? So we are in the gym. हम start करने वाले with the exercise cable crossover. That will be the warm up for 2 sets. So it's not going to be a failure. 2 set करूँगा and we'll do around 15 reps to 12 reps just for the warm up to get that pec little warmed up. So अगर आप चाहो तो 15 से 20 भी कर सकते हो, but I prefer doing 12 to 15. So let's do that. You don't need to go too heavy. Just go with like light. एक या 2 plate होता है ना, so yeah, it's a little lesser. Yeah, what's going on guys? So we did pretty much the first exercise, जो कि was cable crossover. I did 2-3 sets with 15 reps, and now moving on, we'll be doing either a Smith machine press or a dumbbell press. So that'll be for the incline press के लिए. So I'm still on that edge of thinking कि because last week we did Smith machine, so I'm thinking to do till dumbbell, but dumbbell I'm not that strong to lift. But again, as I said, I want to go more on concentration, so I might do 2 sets and see how I feel in the warm-up. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगा, I might go into that heavier set. If not, I will just switch into the OG of the barbell incline press and continue with that. So that being said, let's see how that goes. Okay guys, so doing the back off set, 2 sets, main sets. So मैंने डाला है 145, 125. I did 1 set, I only could get 8 reps because my chest is still sore. Because as ये जो second session है for the push, it's my second session for the week. So you can't think that you can push the PR, because I won't be looking for the PR. So the purpose is to get the maximum contraction and so I'll do this set with 145 and 25 around 8 to 10 reps, and then I'm going to reduce it and 25 kilo निकालूंगा, and probably will be doing 12 to 15 reps to the failure. That will be the back off set and considered as the main set. So let's dive into that. I'm super thrilled and super pumped. Eight reps. that was a good set. 8 reps. I thought I could push 9 to 10. So we'll reduce the next set. That'll be 1 plate. I know I am lifting very, very light, but that's going to help me grow my chest, my boobies. Okay guys, so the final set, guessing कि 12 से 15 मिलेगा, and I'll be considering that as the main set and the failure set because my chest is already pumped. So let's see if I'm getting 12 to 15 reps, I'll be happy, I'll be in a good spot. If I get below 12, then it's a sad day for me. So praying that I would get 12 to 15. Let's dive into that. So before doing the set, मैंने मन में थाम लिया था कि if I get good 12 to 15, I'm going to remove my t-shirt and show you guys the juicy pump. If not, मैं ऐसे ही workout करने वाला हूँ. So I already got 15 reps, so I'm going to remove my juicy pump. Okay, that's a pump. Let's get into the work. Yeah, if you see, it's a good pump just by doing 2 sets. They are good lighting though. Yeah. They're getting it. They're getting there. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ സെയിം വെച്ചിട്ട് വെയിറ്റ് കുറയ്ക്കും. വെയിറ്റ് കുറച്ചിട്ട് ഒന്നുകൂടെ ചെയ്യണം.
ഇതിപ്പോൾ 5ാമത്തെ സെറ്റാണ്.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഒന്നുകൂടെ ചെയ്യും.
താഴെ വെക്കണം. താഴെ വെക്കണം.
അല്ല, സെയിം. എനിക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ചെസ്റ്റ്, വെൻ യു ആർ ഡൂയിങ് ചെസ്റ്റ്, കൂടുതൽ കോൺട്രാക്ഷൻ ഇവിടെയാണ് വന്നത്. What's up guys? Alright, so we are doing chest dumbbell flies. Okay guys, so moving to the second exercise, we'll be doing incline dumbbell flies. So aiming 1 set मैंने warm up किया है. So we'll be doing now 30 pounds each. So we'll be trying to get 12 to 15. So this set, again, I'm not focusing on ज़्यादा heavy lift करूँ. I'm just trying to fill this part, this upper chest. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so we're just trying to focus on the upper part, this area. So I'll be doing more on the contraction side and get around 10 to 12 repetitions because it's 30 pounds. I already started feeling a little heavy because I've been a skinny guy. So let's kill this set. Okay.
Heavier.
There you go, bitch. Right, so we did 2 sets of the dumbbell flies, incline, focusing on the upper shelf. But जैसे मैंने सोचा कि we'll be doing like a 2 press movement, but I tried doing decline movement जो पीछे है यहाँ पे. But when I did that, I couldn't get much of the contraction, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा I started feeling more you know, एक uncomfortable feel होने लग गया. So that's why I didn't you know, do it. भले मैंने बहुत कम weight रखा था, 45 pounds each side, but I couldn't get that contraction. I started feeling real uneasy because of that movement. Maybe my body is sore. So now instead of decline press, we'll be doing the machine assisted paddle butt dips, which again focuses more on the decline ये area में. As you can see, my chest is pretty much pumped. So we'll be doing that. Body weight मैंने कुछ 60 or 50 pounds रखा हुआ है already, so we'll be doing that around 12 to 15 reps, maximum squeeze and maximum stretch. So let's see how that goes. I'll be doing 2 sets, 12 से 15 reps, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं, and that'll be the focus for the decline parallel bar dips, and that'll be the end of the chest workout. And then immediately we'll jump into the shoulder press assisted machine wise something, and with that followed with some of the lateral raises and all. For that, wait for it. See. Heavy set. We did 32 kg with 12 reps. So I did same set, one more set I did previously, which we did again 12. So 2 working set, 12 reps with 70 pounds is equal to 32 kg. So into shoulders. So we'll be doing now pretty much. So we did chest. So अभी पहला exercise for the shoulders will be the shoulder press. So मैंने warm up कर लिया with 1 plate. I'm hoping, पता नहीं मैं इतना over confidence कैसा हो गया, 2 plate डाल दिया. But I don't know if I'll be able to push it. But I'm hoping I'll be able to push it. So this will be the first working set. And then if I achieve, अगर 8 से 10 के अंदर अगर मैंने ये अचीव कर लिया विद गुड फॉर्म, आई एम गोना कीप द सेम वेट और नेक्स्ट सेट एक और करूँगा जिसके अंदर इफ़ आई गेट अगेन सेम रेप्स या 12 रेप्स भी मिल गया, इट विल बी ऑन अ गुड साइड. इफ़ नॉट, इसको मैं कम करके इफ़ आई गेट स्ट्रगल वे में अगर मैं 8 से 10 रेप करूँगा, आई एम गोइंग टू रिड्यूस दिस वेट एंड probably do 1 plate or with add 25 and we'll do 12 to 15 reps mostly. So let's see how that goes. I don't know. I had like 200 grams of carbs, 170 around. Still, I'm so much lethargic. It's a good day for me, for sure, but not a good day for the lift. So, okay. Yeah. Okay, that was a good set. Whew. So we got
10 reps approx. So we'll be keeping the same weight, but I'm going to rest, 2 minute ka rest looga, and then I'll try to get 12 reps. Until then, my brother will do the set, same weight, 15 repetitions. Huh? Let's do it. Okay guys, so that being said, we'll be doing, I did shoulder ka lateral raises, which we took the video, yes. After that we did shrugs, I did 2 sets. I couldn't shoot because I forgot, and my brother, he also forgot, so we couldn't take any video. So now we're doing the tricep, rope push down, and then after that, we'll do one more exercise after tricep. Yes. Yeah, one more. So we'll do this one exercise and probably the single arm, whatever it is called. So we'll be doing 1 warm-up set and 2 working set, and followed by the next one. Okay. What's up guys, so the workout is done. Workout ho chuka hai complete, so we'll be going for an epic cheat meal today. So burger and fries we'll be having, and a cup of Coke, which I think I won't be having. So I'll be eating 2 double fries, no sorry, single fries, and 2 patty of burger, jo ki chicken ka hoga, simple. And that'll be the post-workout meal to make my chest last. So that's the thing. Hopefully we'll make some crazy gains after the chest day. And now gym में पूरा अंधेरा हो चुका है because of, you know, current cut हो गया. So any which ways अच्छा हो गया, बहुत जल्दी we left the gym. We're gonna go and kill some KFC. Looking forward to have a KFC, man. It's been a while that I haven't had any sort of KFC from Dubai mein ho gaya ya anywhere. So looking forward for that. And it's raining as well. So hope for the best. Peace out, baby.
ऑफर में चल रहा है
बर्गर है,
बर्गर में आप देखिए क्या फिंगर तो है, क्लासिक फिंगर है,
ये जो पैटी और ये जो फ्राइड है दोनों फ्राइड है।
हाँ वो ये बात
ಇದು ಇಡುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. What's up guys, so post-workout meal. I won't be having any of the fries, but I'll be eating KFC, but 3 of the burgers, KFC, ketchup. So, I'm very hungry. Very simple, just the bread and some chicken and some lettuce. मुझे onion पसंद नहीं है, so no ketchup and stuff. A little bit of